Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung Bluetooth not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can do is simply head over to your quick settings and toggle Bluetooth off and on your device. The other thing that you can do is head over to your quick settings again, long press on Bluetooth to open your Bluetooth settings, tap on details, remove the paired devices by tapping on the gear icon. By tapping on the gear icon, you can hit unpair or remove to remove the devices. After you've removed the devices, you can try reconnecting to them. However, if you do not see any devices over here, what you can do is simply head over to quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your device. If that does not work, what you can do again is head over to your quick settings again, tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen, scroll all the way down, hit about phone and then hit reset at the bottom. From here, you can tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and try again. If the issue still persists and you're not being able to connect to any of your Bluetooth devices, it may be a hardware issue and you may have to visit the service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.